gonna be with me.
If
She's
this
gonna
channel
jump.
gets 1 million followers, then I would consider it. But anything below that, hell no. I do not like heights. I don't understand why I have to put myself in that position. It's just me. I don't like it. So no.
Hello everyone, Elish Fitness here. Today's topic is what Tanya will gonna choose for me to eat. So I'm gonna drive to her place now to pick her up, and let's see what we're gonna eat. I picked it up, guys, like I promised.
Hello.
And now she's gonna tell you, my queen, what I'm gonna be eating today. Pink.
Well, it's kind of a surprise until we go there and I choose. So I can't really...
I'm driving.
Yeah?
So you have to tell me where I'm driving to.
Oh, Galleons. We're going to Galleons Reach. We're going to Galleons Reach shopping place. Galleons.
E6 something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
East London.
And that's, by the way, I need to put more petrol.
You still haven't done that?
I'm still on probation, third space. Where are we going now?
We're going to go to Poundland.
Cheap one.
Yes, we're going to go to Poundland and I'm going to choose all my favourite treats.
Okay. Lead the way.
Okay, let's go. A festive mocha.
Festive mocha.
Yeah.
Yes,
from
buy me a
Costa's.
festive mocha.
Yes.
You
Like
buy.
a cinnamon one.
Cinnamon one.
Yeah.
Do we have another options?
I don't know. Maybe chai? Is it chai or chia? I think.
Ooh,
Why are you
look at
looking
this
my
boom.
small bum?
10x baby. 10x
Oh,
boom.
yeah. That's it. Yeah.
Team mince pie.
Oh, is that what you've been having?
Yeah.
Tea and mince pies?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so my favourite chocolates. Oh, there's so many. Okay, topic. Topic? So much to choose from. And so much that Okay. We're going to go to Turkish Delight.
Turkish.
Yes. Favourite Haribos. I'm done.
Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Woo.
So what are you going to try first?
I don't know, you tell me.
What
What should I start with?
I think you should try the McVitie's jam and cream. McVitie's.
Let's give it a try now.
They're good with like tea or coffee or well. For me.
It's not focusing because of your face.
sun is directly in my face. So, out of 10.
6.
Could be worse.
So I'm not gonna go really crazy, guys, since in like 10 days I'm starting with my prep for upcoming amateur Olympia. Let's try the next one.
Yes. Okay, so Cadbury's. Okay, so Cadbury's Choco Sandwich. Why do they so cheesy?
Sorry to kill me.
It shouldn't have any cheese in it. Maybe it's the actual.
Do you want to try the first one?
No, you do. There's nothing wrong with them. I will have it. There's nothing wrong with them. What's the verdict?
By the way, when she tries something and she likes it, you know, it's like chicken body. Head is not moving, and when she
I don't even know that I'm doing
actually
it.
gets the taste, it's something like this. Wiggy, 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 wiggy.
Yeah, it's a sign of happiness. It's a wiggle.
6.5.
6.5. So a little bit
7-ish.
better than the jam.
Better.
Okay. Four.
When she was skinny.
Yeah. Yeah. They're nice.
What is the today's topic, girl?
So today we're talking about our likes and dislikes. Today.
That's a cheap Snickers.
No, 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 no. These are very good. Again, I feel like they're a little bit old school. They're very good. Nice like caramel nugget.
4.
4. Oh wow, lower than the biscuits. Interesting.
I don't like Snickers.
You don't like Snickers?
Don't hate me for this, but I don't like Snickers, yeah.
I find that really strange. I actually had 2 the other day, to be honest. I had 2 Snicker bars. Yeah. They are like my go-to. Like, even after training, obviously when I'm not in prep, if I've trained and I need something quick to eat, I'd go for a Snickers bar before a protein bar, if I'm not in prep. I like sweet. So these are sour. Cherries!
If that's a cherry, but nothing else.
Yes, it's cherry. It's cherry.
Comment below. What's that, cherry or BB?
Pee-pee! It's a cherry. How does that look like a pee-pee?
Small BB.
Okay, I'm not even gonna say anything.
1.
1. Wow. I'll be taking this home then. All for me.
That's why she bought them.
Well, they are supposed to be my favourites.
Lokum. So,
Oh, so we've gone up a little bit. These are hard. Hard and crunchy. Like a sweet almost. My face is saying it's not very good. A little bit weird. Yeah.
eat it.
Mm.
We have good looking nails.
Just because I'm not sure about that.
Show them to people, but don't name who is the male artist.
Why?
Because next time she can give you a discount for making an ad.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this.
That's my phone. Oh my god. My screensaver.
See you in a bit, guys. We're gonna head out to Tesco. Not Tesco.
Costa. We're going to Costa to have a festive mocha.
And
Or
when we are
cappuccino.
back, we're gonna talk about our
Likes and dislikes.
top likes, 5.
We're going to talk about what we like, what we dislike.
3 likes and 3 dislikes.
Yes. You go first.
So, 3 likes and 3 dislikes. Gym, motorbikes, walks. I like.
Those are your likes.
Yeah, I like the gym because it's something I really love, and I would say that I'm blessed in a sense of I'm working something that I love, and I really love training people, changing their lifestyle, making them more healthier, giving them advice how to be more active, how to be more healthy. And whenever I see they are progressing and they are happy with their results and completely changing their life, because many people may not realize, but being active, it doesn't matter if you're going to the gym or any sport, but just being active in sport and being part of some sport, you are changing a lot of your life. You are more consistent, you are more disciplined, because you have to be there to do necessary things. So it's a really life-changing element. So this makes me really happy, and like I said, I'm really blessed being able to work it and pay my bills with it. The second is motorcycles, motorbikes. I'm riding one for more than 12-13 years now. A huge fan of Suzuki and BMW. I'm a proud owner of SV650S, and hopefully soon enough I'm gonna get BMW 1000S M Sport 2021, which is a dream bike of mine. And for me, this is really the only way when I literally forget for everything. Even the gym is not on that level. And the third like was walking in the nature, I believe I said. And it just comes to the level of riding my bike, but with the difference that whenever I'm with people, I enjoy it more, because this is a sharing time with someone you like, and our most precious thing is time. Every second that passes, we can return it, so sharing with someone that you love is something really good to do. So if you have this chance, do it now. These are my 3 likes. What about yours 3 likes?
Oh, lovely. Well, I think we share at least one, which is the gym, fitness, health, fitness, competing, personal training. That's got to be up there in my likes. What else do I like? I also like fashion, so anything to do with like clothes, shopping, definitely up there in my likes. And my third like is kind of hard, isn't it? I like glitter. Anything that sparkles, so it could be a sparkly dress, sparkly nails, anything, like literally anything that sparkles I want to either touch or buy, right? I'm sure you've noticed. So yeah, those are my top 3. So going back to the second one, fashion. So before fitness, for me, it was all about fashion. I studied fashion, I did like art and design, textiles, fashion design. So I have quite a huge background and qualifications in fashion, so that will always hold a place in my heart. So yes, that's it.
So-
Explain everything.
Okay. Dislikes?
Dislikes. You want to go first?
Dislike can get irritated from people that refuse to think, and thinking is something that I believe everyone can do, literally, but people are lazy. And whenever you're lazy, you don't think and you do stupid things and make other people angry like me. Like examples are so many, but guys, just think. This is a muscle too, so think. Logic, and if you can justify something with if you can justify your actions, your words, other than that it's just stupidity that irritates me. So this is the first thing that I really dislike. The second dislike is correct me if I'm not saying the words properly, but being hypocrite.
Yeah, hypocrite.
Yeah, so this is really, some people this is related to, first they don't think and they do or say something, and the next moment they do another thing that is completely opposite to the first. So it literally becomes like they're a hypocrite, like they talk something and then afterwards they do some completely opposite without even realizing it. Maybe I don't want to excuse them, but this is something that I really dislike. And the third one is again related to people, and this is when, how to explain it, so this is when you're not giving someone's props. So someone did something, accomplished something, innovate something or whatsoever, and you're not naming it. You're not naming this person, you're not saying that this person did it, you're claiming that is yours or someone else. This is really ridiculous, and screw the fact that someone else eventually may benefit, but the actual person who involved emotions, energy and whatever to get to this result, let's say, that you are using and claiming that is yours or someone else, you are literally killing this person. Because some people involve a lot of like I said, energy and love in creating something, becoming literally like their child, and then you're just taking that away from them. So don't do this, because it's really bad. So if someone did something, don't be afraid of naming it. So if we live in a pink utopia and everyone is saying he did this, she did that, it's gonna be way better. So for the example for being hypocrite, I can recall with so many BS around the racism. So people that are talking for racism and constantly in their mouth is that word, the actual racist. So they're for me hypocrites. I can go the same with feminists who are claiming that the men are always on the top positions of this and that. Just an example, in UK, what was the top most powerful people are females. That's feminism. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Getting a bit deep there and political.
Yeah. But that's the fact. Top five most powerful people in UK are females. Don't tell me that in every leading position are a man. It's just how many female you saw in mines. Okay.
That's a topic for another day, I think, or another YouTube video. Right, so my dislikes, my top one would be rude people. I don't like it when people have no manners, when they can't say please and thank you, or if they're just rude in general, like towards people when it's unnecessary. I really cannot stand that, and it kind of makes me shut down as a person. Like if I see that someone's being rude, or they're being rude to me, or my friends, my family, anyone that's close to me, I just completely shut down. I don't want to sort of like involve myself with that type of person. It actually quite angers me sometimes, or upsets me. So I don't like rude people, because I just think it's completely unnecessary to be rude to people. So that's my top one. My second one would probably be time wasting. I don't like anything that I personally believe is a waste of my time. I guess everyone's like that, but that's something that kind of irritates me. So I don't like to feel that I'm doing something that's not worth my time, if that makes sense. So it could be literally anything. If I feel as though I am doing something that is wasting my time, again, I get very annoyed, and I would probably start moaning a hell of a lot. So that's my second one. My third one would probably be, what do you have something to say about my second one? What? Okay. My third one would probably be heights. I don't actually like heights that much at all. Yeah.
Bungee for you next time.
No, I never will go bungee jumping or parachuting or any of that nonsense, because it's unnecessary.
That's gonna be in your time.
No, the other day we was up on that
Comment like
bridge.
if
I am not doing it.
If we gather 100 likes. Okay, let's make it a little more chill.
No.
1,000 likes, she's gonna jump.
1,000 likes for this video.
Yes.
No, I'm sorry.
Yes, she's gonna be with me.
If
She's
this
gonna
channel
jump.
gets 1 million followers, then I would consider it. But anything below that, hell no. I do not like heights. I don't understand why I have to put myself in that position. It's just me. I don't like it. So no. So that's my third one.
1 million
1 million followers and one of those
subscribers.
certified YouTube plaques. Absolutely, I will think about it. Think about it only. Yes. Yeah. Seriously, I'm setting my standards high.
Okay, something to wrap up?
Well, that's it. That's all my three. So
Yeah.
no, to wrap up.
Okay, guys. Until next time, if you would like to hear something about us, or see what actually we've been eating or whatever, comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, support us, and we're gonna continue doing these videos.
Yes.
Until next time, peace. Tana and myself out.